At DataFromSky, we are working on safer and smoother traffic of tomorrow. We believe that by providing the right traffic insight and control solutions, we can change one of the most pressing problems of today. That's why we created Flow, an intuitive tool for converting any video stream into a stream of actionable intelligence. With Flow, you can convert any camera to a smart traffic sensor for adaptive control of traffic lights. Or in a few clicks, you can create a parking sensor to make your parking lot alive. Counting the number of pedestrians struggling to cross the road has never been easier. Or detect the dangerous driving. Basically, we have developed a visual traffic language combined with powerful AI. It enables you to design any smart sensor in a modern city. Just drag and drop the right flow operators and vary them as you need. For example, you can count the number of visitors coming every day or evaluate how long they spend looking at your new product.
This all has started by NVIDIA powering the industrial change with artificial intelligence and deep learning. The new era of computing using GPUs provides countless possibilities. Accelerated by NVIDIA, the flow can be deployed in a cloud or on local AI servers. It's sufficient enough for embedded solutions from Jetson family. It runs smoothly on AI cameras. But experience is better than 1,000 words. My colleague Tom will show you real demo.
Thank you, Lenka. I would like to show you our masterpiece called Flow. Simply, we just log in and right away we can become the designer of our own sensor. Let me show you how. Let's say we want to know if and when U-turns are happening on this intersection. Very simply, we just create two gates, one on the inbound and the other one on the outbound part of the intersection. And then we'll create a simple move copying the trajectory of a car. Having the move, we just drag and drop it to the workspace. And we are almost done. Now we are detecting any object passing those two gates, but we want to add filter to only motorized vehicles. Done. In a similar approach, we create a sensor for a wrong-way driving in this turning lane. Let's create one more sensor for detecting vehicles waiting on a traffic light. We'll create a zone where we want to monitor vehicles and we add there a stationary filter. We'll consider a stationary car for more than 30 seconds. And voila, we have a waiting sensor. Now we can add widgets to each filter, such as statistical value to the stationary time or a simple value to the violations of traffic rules. This all is shown in a fully customizable dashboard, which you can adjust in your own way. And in a similar way as we created widgets, we can export the data anywhere we want to using data sinks. For example, we can trigger a traffic light control to change the light from red to green, or to create an immediate notification when the traffic violation happens. The interface is also suitable for real-time driven application based on events. With Flow, you can simply create hundreds of sensors with just one camera, visualize and share the insights in no time. A single interface being the traffic brain, so you can design it in your own way. Explore the 6 traffic sense and let the traffic flow with Flow.